Right. So here's an amazing program for you guys that want to make some extra money online. Even for you that are skeptical and maybe not have enough money to start investing into a digital product and the reseller rights. This company has one of the best products that I've seen. But most importantly, they have one of the best lead magnets. So for you guys who just want to get in, see some stuff, and then maybe, get a more powerful product in the back end, they're going to give you a website just like this, and it's going to host a whole bunch of apps that you can earn perks with. Some will give you cash back. You can send it right to your PayPal. Some it'll give you actual cash for having people utilize the app. Say for example, there's online banking apps such as Chime. They always do these promotions. Hey, if you get someone to deposit some money into a Chime account, we'll pay you. A lot of people hear it and don't understand. Hey, you literally just have to deposit a little bit of money into Chime. That's your money. It's not like you're buying something. You can literally use it within Chime or send it back to your account, and we're going to pay you for that. Hey, if I just refer some family and friends or people that see me speaking about this app, I can make a nice amount of money. And this is for some people who just want to get their foot in the door. Obviously, when you get to an actual product, the money gets better because digital marketing, affiliate marketing, it's around selling products at a high rate so you can hit any income goal. There's no savings guaranteed with this platform, but it's a nice set of services where you should see something. I can't guarantee you what you'll see, but just know you should see something. So the lead magnet is, here's these free apps. So if you guys say, hey, I don't want whatever you're going to see in the next few minutes, you can at least sign up, get these free apps, and be linked to these other products they have. Therapy discounts, on-call therapists, on-call doctors for your pets, cybersecurity protection. But they also have memberships, and that's what we're going to talk about now. So they also have memberships. And if you're saying, hey, I don't know if I'm going to use this, here's a calculator that I'm probably going to, link in this video. Do you do any of these things? And I'm going to scroll through them quickly because I know you don't have a lot of time to waste. Do you do any of these things within a year? Movies, golf, eating out. Do you pay any bills? Do you maintenance your car? These memberships help you guys with all of these things. And you can literally, you see at the end, you can choose a membership and start saving now. What happens when we go to a membership? Let's actually show you the memberships in real time. And they're all prices. Don't think it's going to break the bank. It just depends on your lifestyle. As you see right here, these are the prices for the memberships. $20 a month, $100 a month, $199 a month. Why would this be $199 a month? Let's scroll through. Now we have the things where you're like, I can use this, but I need some more. So do you dine out? Do you have car and home insurance you want discounts on? Would you like to repair your credit? Do you travel? Would you like to save up to 80% on that? Travel assistance, family legal plans. Okay, well, here are some benefits that I know you'll most likely need. Doctors on call, free roadside assistance, dental discounts, vision discounts, prescription discounts, free annual tax preparation, free tax counseling, free financial help hotline, domains, and Zoom discounts if you're in business, which if you do this, you can be in business as well. I'll let you know about that. And if that's not enough, here's some discounts on these things every single year. If that didn't wow you, you have other things to choose from. So this is how I make a side income and get an amazing product that I can use for myself. And once again, maybe you are someone here that wants to make money as well. They have an amazing referral bonus, just like you're going to refer people to those free apps. And we refer people many of times a day to different stuff. Here's some stuff that you should know. If you're not in this industry, a lot of this stuff might be a little, you don't know, just write it down and consume it. If you sell a titanium membership or a platinum or a gold, this is what you will earn per membership. Maybe someone wants to buy the membership for the year. This is what you'll earn per membership. Now, as we get down a little more, some of this stuff will seem a little weird if you don't know about this industry, but just know it's going to benefit you. If you refer 4 people to any membership, it's going to be free. So that's the first thing we want to do. Get your membership free. So what else can we do? Well, we have services that help people lower their bills. And this is a regular set of bills and even industry bills. You're going to have commissions for that as well. So if you invite somebody, maybe a local business owner, and they save some money, you're going to earn a commission. We have solar as well. Someone wants solar, you're going to earn some money. Cybersecurity, these are those other services that I told you about. If someone says, hey, I just want to buy cybersecurity, hey, I just want pet discount, Teladoc vet commission, pet discounts when it comes to this on-call vet, you're going to earn some commissions. Teladoc mental health, you're going to earn some commissions. And that's the power. This is just another breakdown of exactly what I just told you. We're in 141 countries. It's paying out 80% monthly residuals, matching bonuses as well. And like I said, if you're someone not in this industry, you might not understand what I just said. That doesn't really matter today. The main thing I want you to take away is you just seen an amazing product, amazing pay structure. If you refer only 4 members, you're going to get it free. So now you're going to have free benefits that even your job's not giving, and you're going to be able to make some extra money. And it's something that you're going to actually use. That's the power. So this is Savings Highway Global. I want you to sit on this. If you're someone new to this industry of digital marketing, affiliate marketing, it might be a little new for you to grasp. But this stuff has been around for years, way before I got in the industry in 2013. It's just amazing. It's just, think of it like this. It's just amazing that there's some other way I can put my hard work in and actually get compensated without putting all my physical work in, without being so exhausted, messing my body up. It's just one of those things I'm just happy that someone made this concept. If you're seeing this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel so you can get more updates and watch this video over and over. Comment below any questions you have, and everything such as the calendar and how to get started with Savings Highway Global will be in the description. If not, comment info and I'll send it to you.